Want to know how to have your say on a council's special variation application? In this video, we'll explain what we're looking for in submissions. There are two ways you can have your say. Either complete our survey or make a submission online through our website. We appreciate the effort that goes into making a submission, and we consider all submissions received. Your submission should address one or more of the criteria set by the Office of Local Government, with clear reasons why you think it meets or doesn't meet the criteria. Feel free to include any other relevant factors. This helps the tribunal make an informed decision when assessing a council's application. Each council needs to address the criteria in their application, and we assess how well they meet them. The Special Variation Assessment process does not cover water, sewage or waste charges, and we generally don't assess how councils spend money. We recognise these issues matter to the community, so we welcome your feedback as it helps us understand the full picture. Ready to have your say? Visit ipart.nsw.gov.au for more details. We welcome your feedback.